What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to switch it up today and do something different. Doing a BOXY CHARM unboxing. This is the one that I received for September. I did the BOXY CHARM LUXE, which means instead of paying only $25 a month, every 3 months you pay an additional $25, and they send you 8 items instead of 5. So this is the big box this month, so I'm very excited. I wanted to open it to see what was in there before I started this video, but I figured the element of surprise would be best. So this is how it comes. Bunch of good stuff in there. Oh my god, I see Fenty already. I'm already happy. Okay, so I'm just gonna go down this list. It gives you descriptions of the products and the retail price for them. I'm just gonna go from the top. So the first one is called BYROE Tomato Serum. It's gonna be this one here. And the retail price is $150 on this. All right, let's see. Wow, that's an interesting color. Looks like it has gel consistency. See if it smells like anything. Oh, it's a little dropper. Oh, how fun! I love these. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It doesn't really smell like anything. Just like product. It says, tomato serum is a powerful treatment that contains gently exfoliating tomato extracts, brightening vitamin C and collagen boosting peptides to transform your skin into a brighter, more youthful version of itself while imparting a healthy, luscious glow. Made my skin feel real nice. Oh, I can't wait to put this on my face. It's amazing. That's a good one. Alright, so the next thing is gonna be the ELOISE Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my god, what the hell? This retail price goes for $46. How pretty that is. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Look at these names. Amazing. So this one says, the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds an infinite power and gives a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies in us all. Should we do some swatches? Let's see. Powerful colors, pretty. Oh my goodness, I can already tell the payoff is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. So pretty. Get this off my arm before I get it all over my sweater. The next one is going to be Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. Persona. Did I say Persona? I feel like I said something else. Okay. Oh, shit's like all the way sealed up. Oh my god, this color is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, what does that smell? I can't tell. How pretty. I guess this is the color Toffee. That's exactly what it smells like. God, why am I this dumb? Oh, I guess this is vegan. Let's see what it says. Remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed? We took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable, high shine formula that you can actually want to wear. This retail price for this is 16 bucks, which is affordable, I would say. It's a pretty big lip gloss, lasts you a while. Alright, let's see. Trying to get to the Fenty like right away. Oh, Fenty's next. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, I don't have any of these yet. I was just gonna go buy some. I just blew a bag online and I didn't get any highlighters. I only got matchsticks and the skincare line. But I'm very excited. I guess this is a Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Look, I just saw the colors and I'm so excited. If anyone who knows me knows that I'm like obsessed with Rihanna. I love her. I want to be her. I feel like I am her. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Let's swatch these babies. What color is this? So this pink one is 7-Day Weekend. I just love it. It's so pretty. And then the purple one is called Poolside. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, let's see what it says. Just when you thought Killawatt couldn't get any better, Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighters enter the game with the same creamy texture of an original in a mega reflective foil-like finish. With intense metallic edge, these buildable color-rich luminizers come in role-defying shades that look equally killer on all skin tones. The retail price for this is $36. I'll drop in a second. I swear, I love Fenty. I was never that boy you should play with. I'm living a good life, no complaining. Alright, what's next? OSEA Malibu Atmosphere Protection Cream. Look at this here. The retail price for this is $48. See, you paid $25. I paid $50 this month for this box that contains 8 items instead of 5. But I only paid $50, and look at all these crazy things that I got. Let's see, this is a bottle. Alright, let's see. The Perfect Take Everywhere Moisturizer Lightweight Formula provides a barrier protection against extreme climates, wind, and air pollution. Antioxidant, rich oils, and organic seaweed, firm skin, and leave a silky finish. I guess this is cruelty-free and also vegan and also gluten-free. Can't wait to... I love getting skincare. Like, if it wasn't for BOXY CHARM, I would have no idea what I'm doing with skincare. They sent me so much stuff that I've tried and I've disliked and I've given away, but I found more products that I actually like and work for me than misses. You know, there's more hits than there is misses. So I will say that about BOXY CHARM. They always hook your girl up. I love getting brushes. This is so cute. Look at this. Okay. This is by PUR or Per the Complexion. I don't know what that's called. Let's see. PUR, Per. It says, with a luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers, each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go. Right off the bat, baby pink's my favorite color. So this shit is right up my alley. Oh my god, look at these! Oh my goodness. They're so soft too. Oh, I cannot wait. Ooh, this is 12 pieces here. Everything you can need. what's next. 111 Skin Rose Brightening Facial Mask, Facial Treatment Mask, 5-pack. Oh my goodness. That's what it looks like. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. The advanced structure of the 111 Skin Hydrogel Mask enhances absorption of moisture to create protective barrier that keeps skin perfectly hydrated. The hydrogel mask, in combination with 24K Gold and damask rose extracts, works in a powerful synergy to brighten, firm, and optimize moisture levels. A 5-pack, huh? The retail value for this is $135. Jesus Christ, do I even deserve this? This shit, like, this is for like if you're bougie on a budget, for sure. I'll probably have to do a video where I put one of these babies on, but you can just feel like it's gonna be amazing. I can't believe it's a 5-pack. Freaking sis up. Alright, and I got one last product left. Shit. Okay. Oops. Last but not least is Milk Makeup, which I love. This is the Watermelon Brightening Serum. Retail value for this is $36. It says, a brightening and hydrating solid serum that visibly evens skin tone and revitalizes the complexion while reducing the appearance of fine lines for a luminous, glowing look. No! I just checked my manicure. Damn it. Stupid tape. That sucks. It's so sad. They were already not doing so great. Okay, lip. Their packaging is just the best. Looks so clean and so like. I can't smell anything. Oh my god. I mean, it's like a very subtle smell. Oh my god, it feels amazing though. Wow. Oh my god, you can tell it's very hydrating. And it just like glides on. Got a little protector back on there. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. It's always so fun unboxing these. Like, you never know what you're gonna get. And like every month is just like a little Christmas gift to yourself. I just love it. And if always you don't like something, you can always give it away. Like I always give all kinds of stuff away, and I just keep like the things that I think will be useful for me. But it's totally worth it in my opinion. If you're trying to decide, definitely go with BOXY Charm, I would say. And I'm so excited. And this video isn't even sponsored. I ain't even there yet. But we're gonna get there hopefully one day. So it's a wrap, guys. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. My next video is going to be so much fun. I'm so excited to do it. I'm going to have my friend Isaiah in it. It's going to be such a great time, and I'm very excited. I'm already planning it, so just keep an eye out for that.